Hey guys, so quick video of how we're going to connect your BenQ monitor to PS5. So it's super simple, and how to do it is that you can have HDMI cable here. It looks like this. So you're going to have HDMI cable, and then you're going to have your BenQ monitor. So you're going to connect the HDMI cable to the BenQ monitor, and then you're going to have the PS5 HDMI port. And all you have to do is just like, you want to connect it to the PS5 port of HDMI, and this is how you're gonna do it. It's super simple. So I just hope this video helped you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.